Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're seeing an automation limit reached warning in Monday.com and your workflows stopped running, don't worry. Every Monday.com plan has monthly automation limits, and once you hit that number, automations pause. Let's solve it step by step. Step 1, check your automation usage. Go to your profile picture, then admin, then billing, then usage. Here you can see how many automation actions your account has used this month. Step 2, identify heavy automations. Open your boards, automations, activity log. Look for automations that run very frequently, like status changes or date-based triggers. Step 3, reduce unnecessary triggers. Edit automations that fire too often. For example, instead of triggering on every small update, set them to run only when a specific status changes. Step 4, combine automations. Instead of multiple small rules, create one smarter automation with multiple actions. This reduces total usage. Step 5, turn off unused automations. Old or test automations still consume actions. Disable or delete any that are no longer needed. Step 6, use integrations wisely. External app automations like Gmail, Slack, or CRM tools can consume many actions. Make sure they're necessary and optimized. Step 7, wait for monthly reset. Automation limits reset each billing cycle. If you're close to reset, waiting may be the easiest solution. Step 8, upgrade your plan if needed. If your team relies heavily on automations, upgrading to a higher plan gives you more monthly actions. Automation limits happen because workflows run too often or plans have lower quotas. Optimizing and reducing unnecessary rules solves most issues. Follow these steps and your Monday.com automations should run smoothly again. See you in the next guide.